Hey everyone, in this quick tech how-to video, I'm going to show you how to change and set the default program or app to open specific file types on your Mac, say if you want to change the default PDF reader or word processor. In this example, I have a compressed RAR file that I've downloaded, and when I open it, it defaults to VLC player instead of an unzipping program. I searched online and found a program called MacPar that works pretty well, so I want to change all RAR files that I download in the future to automatically open with that. To start, I'll right-click on the file. Hovering over Open With, we can see that the default is VLC, but I also have the MacPar option. Now if I choose MacPar, it'll open and unzip how I want it to, but I don't want to have to choose Open With every time. Instead, go down and choose Get Info. Down inside of the Open With section, change this to MacPar or whatever app that you want to set as default on the file type that you're opening. Once you have that chosen, hit Change All and then continue to confirm. This will then change the default app or program for that file extension in the future. Now if I close this window and double click to open the file, it'll automatically open the way that I want it to. And that's how you change your default program or app on a Mac. Thanks for watching, please like and subscribe and stay tuned for more quick tech how-to videos.